One problem, mathematics 1B, 6th chapter, direction cosines and direction ratios, exercise 6B, Roman number 3rd, first problem, most important question. Show that the lines whose direction cosines are given by L plus M plus N is equal to 0, comma 2Mn plus 3NL minus 5LM is equal to 0 are perpendicular to each other. Show that the lines whose direction cosines are given by are perpendicular to each other. Means here we find the angle between the two lines. Angle between the two lines. Here we prove that theta is equal to 90 degrees. If theta is equal to 90 degree means the angle between the two lines is 90 degrees. So the given two lines perpendicular to each other. So first of all find the angle between the two lines. Here first of all we find the distances of the two lines which are connected by the relations. So first of all here we solve the given equations. Given equations. First equation is L plus M plus N is equal to 0. Second equation 2Mn plus 3NL minus 5LM equal to 0. Solve 1 and 2. From 1 L is equal to minus M minus N, substitute in equation number 2. 2Mn plus 3n into L. L is equal to minus M minus N minus 5M. L is equal to minus M minus N is equal to 0. 2Mn plus into minus minus 3n into M. 3Mn plus into minus minus 3n into n, 3n square, minus into minus plus 5m into m, 5m square, minus into minus plus 5m into n, 5mn is equal to 0. Here the term L is eliminating. Remaining terms m and n. Write L, m, n in orderly. Here L remove, so write the terms, remaining terms m and n orderly. First of all write down m terms, 5m square. Next one mn, 5mn plus 2mn, 7mn minus 3mn, 4mn minus 3n square is equal to 0. Find the factors. 3 5s are 15. 15 factors. 5 3s are 15 1s are. 5 plus 3 8. 15 plus 1 16. 15 minus 1 14. So here not find the factors. So both sides divided with n square. 4mn by n square minus 3n square by n square is equal to 0 by n square. Both sides divided with n square. n square get cancel. 1 n square cancel. Remaining value 5m square by n square. It can be write down 5m by n whole square plus 4 into m by n minus 3 is equal to 0 by something 0. This is a quadratic equation in m by n. This is a quadratic equation in m by n. This is the quadratic equation. Ax square plus bx plus c is equal to 0. Here a is equal to 5, b is equal to 4 and c is equal to minus 3. Here let m1 by n1 and m2 by n2 are the roots of the above equation. m1 by n1 and m2 by n2 are the roots of the equation. 5 into m by n whole square plus 4 into m by n minus 3 is equal to 0. Here find the product of the roots. m1 by n1 into m2 by n2 is equal to, the product of the roots is equal to c by a. So m1 m2 by n1 n2 is equal to c by a means minus 3 by 5. Taking 3 left side, n1 n2 right side, m1 m2 by 3 is equal to minus n1 n2 by 5. So m1 m2 by 3 is equal to n1 n2 by minus 5. m1 m2 by 3 is equal to n1 n2 by minus 5. This is the first condition. Next one, second one, from 1 m is equal to minus L minus n, substitute in equation number 2. Second case, this is the first part, this is the second part. From 1 m is equal to minus L minus n, substitute in equation number 2. Equation number 2 is 2mn plus 3nl minus 5lm is equal to 0. 2n into m is equal to minus L minus n plus 3nl minus 5l into m minus L minus n is equal to 0. 2n into L minus 2ln, 2n into n minus 2n square plus 3nl minus into minus plus, so 5l into L 5l square minus into minus plus, so 5l into n 5ln is equal to 0. Here eliminate m, remaining terms in L and n. Write order L terms and n terms. L 5l square, 5ln plus 3ln 8ln, 8ln minus 2ln 6ln minus 2n square is equal to 0. Here find the factor. 2 5s are 10. 10 factor 5 2s are 10 1s are 5 plus 2 7. 10 minus 1 9. So here not factors. So both side divided with n square. 5l square by n square, 6ln by n square minus 2n square by n square is equal to 0 by n square. n square cancel, square n cancel, 5 into L by n whole square plus 6 into L by n minus 2 equal to 0. This is also quadratic equation in L by n. Let here L1 by n1 and L2 by n2 are the roots of the above equation. Find the product of the roots. L1 by N1 into L2 by N2 is equal to product of the roots is equal to C by A. C means minus 2. A means 5. So L1 L2 by N1 N2 is equal to minus 2 by 5. Taking 2 left side, N1 N2 right side. L1 L2 by 2 is equal to minus N1 N2 by 5. Here L1 L2 by 2 is equal to N1 N2 by minus 5. Here first case, observe here M1 M2 by 3 is equal to N1 N2 by minus 5. Next one is second one is L1 L2 by 2 is equal to N1 N2 by minus 5. This is the condition number 3. This is the condition number 4. From 3 and 4. From 3 and 4. From 3 and 4. From 3 and 4, L1 L2 by 2 is equal to M1 M2 by 3 is equal to N1 N2 by minus 5. L1 L2 by 2 is equal to M1 M2 by 3 is equal to N1 N2 by minus 5. Here N1 N2 by minus 5 is equal to M1 M2 by 3. Here N1 N2 by minus 5 is equal to L1 L2 by 2. So equating 3 and 4. From 3 and 4, L1 L2 by 2 is equal to M1 M2 by 3 is equal to N1 N2 by minus 5. Let L1 L2 by 2 is equal to M1 M2 by 3 is equal to N1 N2 by minus 5 is equal to some constant K. Equating first and last, L1 L2 by 2 is equal to K. So L1 L2 is equal to 2K. Equating second and last, M1 M2 by 3 is equal to K. So M1 M2 is equal to 3K. M1 M2 is equal to 3K. N1 N2 by minus 5 is equal to K. Therefore N1 N2 is equal to minus 5K. Here L1 L2 is equal to 2K. M1 M2 is equal to 3K and N1 N2 is equal to minus 5K. If theta is the angle between the two lines, then cos theta is equal to mod of L1 L2 plus M1 M2 plus N1 N2. Cos theta is equal to L1 L2 2K plus M1 M2 3K plus N1 N2 minus 5K. 2K plus 3K 5K minus 5K. Cos theta is equal to 0. Cos theta equal to 0 means cos 90 degrees. So here theta is equal to 90 degrees. Theta is equal to 90 degrees means two lines are perpendicular. Two lines are perpendicular. So the lines 1 and two are perpendicular. The lines 1 and 2 are perpendicular. Here this is the proof. Find the values L1, L2, M1, M2 and N1, N2. The angle between the two lines is 90 degrees, means the given lines are perpendicular to each other. This is a very important problem.